right, we are getting a breaking news now from the Kannada film industry. Star couple Digant Manchale and his wife Aindrita Ray have reached the Central Crime Branch. This is in Bengaluru. Karnataka police sources have revealed that the stars were allegedly consuming weed, but also synthetic drugs, and there were some drug parties that were organized. These are the latest visuals on your screen. The couple have reached the crime branch. The actors, because this information has come, they were seen partying with another accused who has been named by the name of Rahul. Nolan Pinto is tracking all the latest. Nolan, being hounded by media persons there, the star actors have reached the crime branch. What precisely will be the angle that they will be questioned today by the crime branch?
Well, Pooja, in fact, 11 o'clock was the time that was given to them. By around 11:05, they actually reached, keeping in mind that the CCB wanted them to be over here. In fact, Digant was actually in a light blue shirt, flanked by his wife, Aindrita. Okay. She wore something in white. Now, we are not too sure as to how long the questioning will go on at the CCB. But what we are hearing from our sources is that there are a lot of allegations that they too took part in the consumption of synthetic drugs and also ganja. Now again, these are just allegations.
Yes.
Now that's one of the reasons why notices were actually sent to them, and that is the reason why they are over here. So we have to just wait and see as to what would be the line of questioning, what will they do. But another important point to note is that they knew one of the accused, that is Rahul, and this is a major sticking point for many of the actors. Rahul is one of the biggest accused over here. He's a drug peddler, and hence they would want to know how they know Rahul and what was the connection or the relationship that they had with Rahul.
All right, so a star couple there also now being questioned by the crime branch. So crime branch there in Karnataka is well exploring drug angles there in the film industry. Thank you so much, Nolan. Keep tracking all the latest.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.